pattern forming here.
No.
There's not. That's what I was looking at the 30-minute to see if I could find something. Closest thing I can find on the 30-minute is ranging. Basically, I have to trade it like a channel, short the top by the bottom.
That's why I enter here to you guys that I don't know if you explained people were seeing my screen. I enter here to break the uptrend, but I had to leave to drop them off my car in the mechanic, and I missed to get out of this. I should have put a sell order up here, but let's see. I don't know if Brian, because the time, no, you should not re-enter. It's after 8:45. And you can talk. You were talking earlier. You can ask me questions here.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I recorded this woman at a prior company I was with. A lot of people, based off of their dialect, would be afraid to speak up in public, and she was Haitian, and she had a really, really, really thick dialect. And I'm like, guys, if nobody has a problem with her talking, they're definitely not going to have a problem with your accent.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, your accent's fine. You've got
Hello?
good English.
Mello, is that you?
No, that was probably somebody else. But I just want to say good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning.
I was about to say we have a rare sighting. Mallow in the morning.
Yeah, 9:06. It's 24 minutes early, not 24 seconds.
It's a good one, Lou. No, I'm starting to. I'm back on my game, and yeah, I only traded on Friday for a little bit, but
Yeah, you
yeah,
just you
I'm
just
I'm
need to
good to
get out
go,
of the
man.
bed now because your voice sounds like you still have your bed on your back.
Well, the computer's on. It's just yeah.
Rugger, what's that at? Do you have a peninsula or?
Yeah, that was outside, right outside my house today.
Oh, okay, well, yeah, I can expect that. That means gonna be here in a couple days.
Good, you can take it.
Yeah. You guys there, all the weather there comes 2 days comes to me, and then 2 days goes to New York. It's like
Right.
if I want to see what's gonna happen here in 2 3 days, I look up there, and I can tell exactly what's gonna happen here. It's like a sweep comes down and sideways and up. I don't know if it has a airflow or what it is, but it's every time.
At least by the time it gets to you, it's not
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have snow. If well, if rain would snow here today because it's 33.
okay.
But I don't think we're gonna snow.
Roka.
What's up, Mallow?
All right, time to short today. I'm just kidding.
I mean, time to short, time to long, time to see what it gives us, right?
That is correct.
Lou, I've lived up here most of my life, and I hate the snow. Hate
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Well, we live in Brazil most, like half of my life I live in Brazil. But every time we came to here to see my mom or something, we went to Vermont. My stepdad has friends there, good friends of theirs in Vermont, so we went there skiing all the time. Actually, they end up buying some land there, and they do syrup in
Yep.
there. So we went there a lot. But as we grow older, we just lost interest to being the cold. Oh, had a lot of fun skiing there. Now we eat free syrup the rest of our lives. All right, I think I'm gonna close this thing. I'm not gonna let. Another hour trade for
For
less than
one,
a point. Yeah,
one, two ticks. Oh, wait, there's a point.
yeah. 46 minutes. But I missed this 18 pointers though. That was my fault because I wasn't here. Yeah, early this morning we entered a trade that wait an hour and 12 minutes I think was,
Yeah, yeah.
and we got 5 points out of it. And then
Just watch.
yeah,
Your entry there is going to be 100 points.
and then now I'm in here for 40 whatever minutes was here, and
And by 4 o'clock, that'll be a 100 point run.
let's hope. I mean, just can hope for. I hope that, I don't mind to grind, but grind up. Grind in the direction that we are doing it. Don't be grind sideways. What?
I'm reading Real Time's post about the live
The
lobster she got.
lobster, yeah.
It's like the last time when I got a live lobster, I screamed when the creature jumped out of the box and was too chicken to kill it. So I took it to the neighborhood sushi shop and let the chef deal with it.
Throw it
Oh my
inside
god.
of the water pan.
Just boil it alive.
Boil it. That's what people do, right?
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
You already had 5 points.
5 points. 5 point, 5 point. Anybody more. 5 point, 5 points. 6 point, 6 point. Anybody? I'm trying to auction my points off.
Whatever you're doing, it's working.
Be careful. That's a 2 point candle.
Wow. I'm thinking about taking my money and run. Because that. You see it? It's gonna
That
come
was a
back
big order.
again.
Big order just popped up at around 83. What was that? That's not that big. It's freaking 38.
The one just popped right there and got
How?
out. Another one and got out.
Yep. Scarred. How did we ever live without that?
I don't know. And this, I have this for years, and I never look into it. One time I got into, uh, I got into YouTube thing that showed me that. I'm already getting text parents. Can I leave my kid there and come back in an hour and 15 minutes?
Babysitter.
Yeah, like I'm not a babysitter. My answer was I prefer not to be all the time. However, if it's now and then it's going to help the player practice, I'm okay with it. Just
Oh, for
about,
the coaching.
yes, basketball.
I wouldn't mind. There's two things, right? One, if the child were to get hurt, they need to be there. And two, so long as your dinner date with your spouse doesn't, run longer than practice, and I'm sitting around waiting for you.
I was gonna say you're gonna be sitting around half hour after practice wondering where this kid's parent is.
Exactly. That's why I want to be very clear that it's not a babysitter thing, but if now and then I understand it, because what I'm giving a little leeway was because this was announced last night, you know, to my first practice today. So I can understand you have another, previous things and you want to make sure your kid's there. So I'm a little lenient, but for next week it's like no.
Be like, so if you keep doing this, I will buy your company and then make your life a living hell.
Funny. Yeah. My wife just sending me a mess because she's on that group message. She just said, give an inch, they're going to take a mile. Basketball parents, I wouldn't said no. I would have said no. First practice parents must be there. You don't know the kids yet. She's a mean teacher, man. Telling you.
Well, she deals with kids and parents all the time.
Yeah. Holy moly, macaroni! Jesus Christ! Oh, big buy order here. Big buy order here. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's push, 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 push. It's gonna see at the open. It's gonna come all the way down. It's gonna stop me and head all the way back. You know what? I'm gonna even do better. I'm gonna do this way, and I'm gonna do even better. I'm gonna do this. At least it's a free trade. Mm. Since we have a little bit of time, Doyle, are you there? And Brett,
I'm here.
and we need to come up with a
Yeah,
kind of like logo with information with our name and some type of information like a website or something. One like a freeware sponsor, the T-shirt or something can, you know, have something.
Yeah, yeah, I was waiting to pick the payment replacement thing, but yeah, we could at least send it to a landing page that's got that. If nothing else, I could set up a URL redirect to anyone types in, risingtide.com, they go to our Facebook page.
Yeah, I just wanna. We need to be able rising tide trading. Uh, just something to catch their eyes now, because it's just not a name. You know what I mean? Freaking
Yeah,
hour
yeah.
other
Like
than,
point.
I mean,
if
other
they
than
were to
the,
just if they were to just Google Rising Tide Trading, they wouldn't find us.
yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need to come up with something that
Yeah, you could redirect the landing page to land on our Facebook
yeah,
or our Twitter or something like that,
yeah.
or our YouTube.
yeah. But that's what it's like for a bunch of little kids running around, and like it has a name, but is that gonna help them? Because a lot of people out there is trading now, so I think it's a good marketing, you
You,
know.
you could
Uh,
you
but
could do a landing page that has links to all three of our things, like a landing page that just has three different links for our YouTube,
Well,
Twitter, and
I
Facebook.
think our Facebook is probably our closest thing to a web page until we get something built up to host training material and everything else. And we can list our Twitter and other social media stuff on that page, I believe.
Yeah, I need to figure out how to do that.
I think if you go into your profile, I think you can do that, and it'll add it over to the left menu, or not menu, but that sidebar on the left. You can figure that out. I, I did it several years ago. Let's see.
Let's go.
And we're off.
Oh, shoot. Taking profit.
About to, it's up isn't as strong as it should be, so I'm shorting here. Stop is the top of that 1 minute candle.
What a weak opening, huh? Just caught me by surprise, this open.
That caught me by surprise. That's for sure.
Taking profit.
That phone call couldn't have come at a worse time. God damn it. Like it was whenever we were talking about Facebook and stuff, and then I just got off. Ah!
We are open.
Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna fuck with it.
Dude, there's a lot of sell orders stacked up there.
Yeah, it does. Since this is not moving much, I'm gonna open my stop up, way up, which is not way up, but
Just putting out a bearish harmonic.
oh, there you are.
What's going on?
Not much, man, not much. Take one off, putting
I'm
sip,
about to.
and let one roll, or sip me, one or the other.
Hold on. Strange that it feels like 10 points is too much to ask of an open and move.
We just got 10 points. I'm getting in 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. Now I got sipped. Open my mouth.
Hey, can I change my account?
Huh?
Can I
Yeah,
change my account?
yeah.
Hit the top of the triangle and came right back down to touch the bottom of it.
Yeah. I bought, look at this, I bought on the bottom. I bought it right here, man. And gave it me all the way up. Damn. Taking profit, 7 points. Do you guys notice how I'm doing at this today? I hope you guys can see that. I have over 50 points already. However, I'm not counting as a. I'm just taking profit today. Just take profit, take profit, take profit.
Oh, this one can run. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Ah, because you're in, sucker.
I'm I'm in at
Uh,
69.25. What an entry.
59?
69.
Okay,
69
cool.
on that candle. Yeah.
And that's the white trend that I was telling you guys. That was my goal, my target. It'll be the white trend in here, but hit
All right.
there. And the
I'm
top
gonna
of
move
the
my.
symmetrical triangle.
I, I took profit. 30
Yeah,
points.
nice. Nice, nice, nice.
I said 30, but it was actually 20 points. My bad.
Came down quick, huh?
Yeah. Well, and I'm up. I'm up over 50 points on the day already. So
Yep, likewise.
This is me not chasing it.
Right? I just was holding on through all the freaking chop during the open.
Yeah, I took profit, took profit, took profit. And, now if we retest in here, I'll go in again. Come on, baby. Give it to me. A lot of sell orders there. Is that a high
Nom nom
today?
nom 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 nom.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it is. That's high
Oh,
today.
shoot.
yeah.
Oh, well. Look for the next trade. That was beautiful.
Not shabby.
Ah, I should have held that. God. Ah, wow. That was another 30.
So this high that we're at right now, we've been wrestling here for a few days now.
If it breaks it, we're going to 54.
And where is the all-time high? Nine what?
We're
We
at
are
it, I think.
we are
9-7. Yeah, we're at it. We just passed it. We just made a new all-time high with that candle wick.
yeah. I don't think we are ready to short yet, but I'm gonna give a try here. See if I can get a scalp out of that. I'm ready.
One more push. Come on.
Oh, don't get me. Shit, got me.
And that's second you profit passed.
How many days?
10 days.
Nice job, Jack.
Today's the 10th day.
Nice.
Yeah, so I just sent the email.
Cool. Cool dude. Oh man, the spread is huge.
I just can't take myself, or I can't make myself get back into this. Could be making an ABCD up on the 15 minute.
Yeah, I can see that.
At 127, at 54. Also have some uptrend resistance around there. Probably closer to the 141.
Oh, a lot of buyers came in. You can take one off if you like. I'm gonna be greedy on my end since it's the all-time high. And you can put in SIP if you like as well. I'm gonna hold my grounds here a little bit. That can be bad, but can be good. So again, guys, I enter and you take your position, do what you want to do with it. You can take profit. We can SIP. I always say that we got 11 points on this trade already. I am just being greedy, so I'm waiting. This could be the fourth wave. I just noticed that. Daggone it. Uh, and making the fifth wave now. We'll see. But you need to make your own decisions on get out of the trade or not. My account's different than all of yours, so I don't mind do things like this.
I got a daily trend line at 62 from a long ways back.
I don't have anything right here. So where's my 250?
There is the 954 I was talking about.
A possible double top here. It's an uptrend day, huh?
It
Phew, yeah, plowing
is.
right up.
Holy moly. The momentum's coming down and the price is going up. Possible right shoulder here on the 30 seconds. Right shoulder's playing out.
All right.
I'll retest the pivot point here, R1.
Well, I paper handed 10 points of that.
This could be, still could be a flag, guys, so careful on the shorts.
Thank you, Lou. Thank you for
Broke right up
saying
for
that.
me.
Falling knife protocol, right?
Yeah,
You
invert.
you really Yeah, you really want to wait to see divergence on the 3 minute for a higher probability trade.
It's a flying knife, not a falling knife.
I keep forgetting the fancy name for falling knives in reverse. It's not exponential, but it's something like that.
The parabolic.
Yes, parabolic.
Yeah,
I need
that's
to
it.
like write that on my dry erase board so I can stick it in my head.
It's going parabolic. Yeah, we went down and touched that broken downtrend and just bounced off of it on the 30-second, which we have also made a volume node appear.
I'm gonna hold my
Just
short and see what happens.
Yeah, I'm not saying not to hold it. I'm saying to be careful to put in your sips in and don't let go against you. That's all I'm saying. We're an all-time high after all, right?
yeah, I should have jumped in on that break of that downtrend. So this new Lilu account, do you only have 15 days, or can you just renew it after the 15 days, or what is that?
What I read about you cannot is done. It's 15 days. You can
That's
contact
Yeah,
them
it's basically
and
like the Express.
transfer. Yeah, you can transfer and pay for the 100,000 or more, and transfer if you have or if you almost got it. You can
mm,
transfer to the, but you cannot renew. You cannot do anything like that.
so it's not like that one that we like.
No, this is like the Express, but they let you
Gotcha.
do more contracts. It's the same profit target as the Express. You just get basically in 5 extra days to get it done.
Pop over here this 3 minute and see what it looks like.
It's starting to hook.
Oh, I got to drop. I'll be back in a bit.
I still have a feeling this is a flag, but I can
Yeah,
be wrong. I can be wrong. I'm away. I'm not playing anything right now. I'm just watching.
Yeah, the 3 and 5 are still really strong. So it could just be a consolidation to go up.
Yeah.
yeah, this is looking flaggy. 15 looks good for up. I'm flat though, just disclaimer.
Yeah, it's this week has not been a good week for me. Has not been a good week. Not bad, but not good so far.
Lou's over there like, oh, I only made $100,000 this week.
He's got like the welfare fucking application out already. Food stamps.
He's got his marker and cardboard making a sign.
You guys don't understand. I only made $300K this week. Give me food stamps.
Yeah. Kids, we gotta cut back.
You guys are very funny.
Get the world's smallest violin out.
Yeah. We gotta cut down our 6 maids down to 4 now, so make do.
Oh, yeah. You guys sucks.
My kid's gonna have to wear last week's shoes. Ugh.
Yeah, last week's shoes. The pain. The pain. That reminds me, God, Grown Ups. Remember, I don't know if you remember, Sandler and his kids were like, "Where's our Voss water?" And let's lose kids. Tap water.
All right, cutting off 5 contracts here.
That's a good idea.
10 more to go.
Look at you.
Come on, keep going down.
I'm short with you.
Let's go.
Big buy-in.
Should have held. Fuck.
You have an opening range you can put fibs on.
What?
You could put fibs on the low at the open to that high we made.
Cutting off another 5.
I took profit. I didn't want to take profit. Fuck.
Now I'm gonna. Yo, Lou, hold on to the rest five of them.
Oh
Already.
shit, yeah.
Next price target, but
Oh, I'm gonna get zipped. I'm falling very close though. I'm falling close to. I'm not giving anything back for this damn thing. But if you have more, I just have one left because I sold a bunch without knowing. Went to my profit target. I just have one left, and I'm shit. Oh,
I know this sounds crazy, but I really want this to go back to 885.
it's not crazy at all. We need to retest at least 890 to retest the symmetrical triangle.
No, but the way it went up, and it just looks like if it comes down all the way to 885, that's the first time I've ever seen something like that.
Yeah,
How it form.
I
Okay,
think
that would be the
I
yeah what you're pointing at, Will.
yeah, I right this area here, 885 would be right here in the middle, so I don't see much reason to here. But this area here, 90, I can see it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it. Only because it was whatever.
We
Yeah,
have a
if you
lot
look
of
at like the
buyers here, though.
that 15-minute trend we broke at the open, played out like a nice triangle. You could always come back and retest that. That's what Lou's talking about, that 890 area.
Yeah, that's why I
Oh, I
have
see that, but it's
my
just like,
take profit is
all right.
901, and I have my SIP at 932.
Keep in mind, we are in this ABCD pattern. We came off approximately the 127. It went a little bit above it, but then the 100 is about 10 points down from here.
Perfect.
We came within 5 of it, so I think it misbehaved at the 127 and spiked up a little bit because it wanted this uptrend resistance test. So that's probably why we got a little bit higher than the 127.
Yeah, and we may be doing this. It's a little weird, but we have this here. Look,
Yeah, yeah.
so we can come here, come back down here. Let's see. We do have a lot of not a lot. Oh, just ate right through it. I was going to say has a lot of buyers jumping in, but it's getting
Keep
eaten
going.
up.
Yes.
There's the 100.
Yep,
There we go. Should I
Yeah.
cut off at the 100 or it's
Nope.
already
this
too
is
late?
the 50 retracement. You have 5
Uh,
left.
Five left, the 10 in profit. Good profit so far.
20.
If
I'm
you
my SIP is at 28, 928. My take profit's 901.
You could always take 1 or 2 off and let 3 run to like the ultimate profit.
Yeah, if you didn't take any off, I'd just hold it right now.
Yeah, at this point, yeah.
965 is my entry.
965. Man, that's right where I was too. Fuck.
960.
Yeah, we
Oh man,
bounced right off the
you got
100.
the high.
Yeah, there I was.
Sorry guys, I got a little scared because I got negative on my account here, so I started to scalp on my other account. So I'm 30 points now. I scalped a bunch, but the last one that I have is 30 points. And again, I have my SIP at 926 and my take profit 901. Right here is a trend line. Oh,
I hit
beautiful.
the 61.
Beautiful. It's gonna take my profit. It's gonna get to my
Yep.
profit target. 4 points to get
Just,
to my profit target.
I just took my last one off.
I'm gonna
Cut down the two contracts now. We're holding it.
Yeah,
Coming
Or I'm
into the
holding
view
it.
app. We got view app in 8 points.
yes. I put my SIP at 914, and I still have my 901 is my. Actually, I should have taken right there because hit my view app. I should have taken there.
Does your view app start at session or does it start at
Session.
day?
Day. Day.
Not bad.
Trying to
Almost
find that
60
blue line you
points.
got there, Brett. Where you get that coming from?
What is it?
Oh,
Your blue, your
just
blue
got
line.
profit. I didn't take profit. I didn't take profit. No, I didn't take picture. Shoot.
Oh, okay, see it. Cool.
Yep.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Uh huh.
Right for the next trade now.
Yeah, that's gonna make a good pattern, I bet.
Yeah, we're getting super close to that retest of the triangle.
Ah, that wick. So close to it.
Yeah, like I told you guys, I was not too much for the triangle, but the white and the brown and right in this area, that's what I was talking to you guys about. In this area here is my taking profit, which I did. I took profit.
You guys went long. I went short. I didn't catch it in time this morning.
I didn't catch the long. I just caught the short, but I didn't hold it.
I got 50 points on the long, and I got 48 points on the short.
What do you mean you didn't hold it?
Me, I was scalping.
Yeah, I didn't hold my long enough. I took that triangle break this morning, but I only held it for like 25 points. It's like
I,
weak hands.
I'm holding mine at 600 points right now. My hold from last
You still
week.
got that sucker?
I still have it.
Nice.
Yep. Yep.
Is it just one contract or you got multiples?
Now one.
Nice.
One that held like one that started held like this was just one. I don't hold more than one like this. No, because I don't make money holding it. Tell the truth,
Yeah, exactly.
you know. So for me, I don't want to hold. I this is more for um is a merchandise for us. You know, it's just like
Like a lucrative
advertising.
thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
advertisement. Yeah.
advertisement thing than anything else because I lose money holding like that. Don't take me wrong, it's 12,000, you know, and something, but I can make more on the.
Only 12,000.
No, no, not only. I said 12,000 is I can make a more with my other accounts. Damn, I forgot to take. As soon as I was going to take a picture, hit my take profit. This could be the fourth wave too, guys. You see it? One, two,
Mhm.
three, 4, 5.
Down, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Testing your little brown line again.
yeah. And this is the wedge, the rising wedge that we are doing it for over a month. That's the tip of the tip. You see it? The tip is there. And we still, like yesterday, we play all day as well, and we keep grabbing it. And look how it works, man. Look how touched. Just unbelievable. And now we probably are can be the working out the fifth wave. Yeah, that wedge right there, I think. Uh, Brett, I
Yeah,
think,
yep.
or something real close to that.
Yeah, I think mine.
Uh, or we can be going up for Emma to do a double top. Ay, 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 ay. But I did not like it today. Today is not doing a. Look at the 3 minutes. Look ugly as heck. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
It's like barcode, 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 jump down, barcode, barcode. It's like, damn. I'm ready for freaking vacation. I'm tired. Ready for vacation.
Can you take me with you?
Nope. Nope. Actually, this
Just
weekend we're gonna go to Indianapolis to a tournament, and the hotel that they picked was a five-star hotel. Finally, so it's a nice hotel and has restaurants and Starbucks and bars and everything inside, so you don't need to go anywhere.
hey, you can take me there. I'll go there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm going to.
Yeah,
I'm
we
okay
can we
with
can
that.
tailgate the games.
Yeah, I was telling
Yeah, yeah.
Donna that Friday I'm just gonna do the open and then we're gonna head there. Gonna get there early. I think I'm gonna scalp this here. What do you guys think?
I think this
As
could
for
make.
long,
Yeah, it's for long.
We do have an untested B point.
Yeah, that's what I was going to that big point there, just for a little scalp.
well, I'm already in it.
I was gonna say it's risky. Smack in the
Very,
middle of this triangle now.
very, very risky, but it's profitable, nothing less.
I
Yeah,
like those odds.
not risky anymore. You get a sipping.
Yep.
How's everybody doing? Is everybody okay?
What?
Oh, I was asking if everybody was okay. Like all the other people.
Brian's negative. On a high probability trade, I'll start trading back here again.
Yeah, I got down like 40 on the open there. Caught me a couple times. I couldn't move my stop. I was going to give it a little wider berth, but it caught me too quick. And but I'm back like 30 up, 30 in the green. So now just
Nice.
let things calm
Nice.
down and wait.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing open anymore. Is I don't know. I make money, but um, I don't know. It's giving me a little. I don't want no stress.
All right. Hmm.
Yeah.
Your stops need to be wide for the open, which is
Yeah.
tough sometimes,
Yeah.
depending
Because
on
then they
your
could
account.
hurt you. Yeah. You have a bigger stop.
Yeah.
Um, I need to set up one of those things. I need to find out, remember how to do that because if I had a wider one specifically for the open, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But I couldn't click on it fast enough to move it.
Yeah, you need make one. I can help you make one if you
Yeah,
like.
we do that later. No biggie. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd probably be a good idea.
For the open,
For
I'm
this,
using 56.
Oh yeah, no, I was using my 6.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
That
hey,
one is for the R1 there, the blue R1. That's my target. That's what you ask Mello.
no, I was gonna ask you, what was I supposed to have a bigger stop? Well, I
And
took profit already, so
on
I
this
mean,
one,
yeah, it's a short scalp.
I'm still holding. Yeah, it is, but now it's 4 points.
uh,
My scalp needs to be at least 7 points. Come on, right there, 7 points. Taking one off. Oh shoot! As soon as I said, it came back down. Come on, you can do it. uh, and why? I do, man. I usually do, and I'm gonna start doing here in front. It's sometimes that I do some scalps. I do not show my scalps because I don't want you guys to try to imitate my scalps on a. It's not a high probability trade. So, but I should. I might starting to tell you guys what I'm doing it, you know, and have you guys do it. It's just like this trade right now. I'm up 9 points, 8 points, whatever. Uh, but was a very high risk trade. Uh, so I hate it to. I don't want to say hate. I just don't want to put in you guys in any jeopardy, you know, uh, on a way that is gonna hurt your account. So that's the way. Right there, take profit. Take profit, take
Yep,
profit, take
B point.
profit. Repoint actived.
hmm. Low.
One.
Oh, nothing. Never mind.
Uh, when we are all comfortable here and know how we do it, and so far, I can jump and start doing in front of the screen and just I'll mention because I think on the mention is like you guys take a little bit more time to get in and you can analyze as well. If I show my screen a scalp, you guys gonna automatic go in, and sometimes I'm gonna be in SIP or out, and you still, not you, but in general, you guys still be processing. It's like, what the heck happened here? And I'm out, and you guys are stuck in the trade. So that's what concerns me. Yep, perfect. Yes, correct. If I think that we're gonna get a trade that's gonna give us 20, 30 points, 50, 100, or whatever, we're gonna be. I'll tell you like, hey, on this area we're gonna be looking for like this one here. I should have told you guys, and I should have taken that was a. I was 100% positive that this was going to happen. I should have taken here. I should have mentioned, but I was coming short, so I took profit. Usually, I don't re-enter when I take profit. I will stop and reanalyze the you know the trade to see what I can go in. I never reverse my position, and that's it. So, but this I was pretty sure. Here to the B point, I knew we were going to be the B point, but was one of those, I don't know. I'm not 100% positive. Uh, but I got in. I got 15 points in each contract. I'll be happy to show you guys, like I said, to enter those. But if I'm negative, uh, I don't know, 30 points, 50 points, 100 points, I don't care. It doesn't bug me whatsoever because I know I'm going to recoup. But I try not to do that with you guys because if you guys get 100 points negative, you'll be freaking out and we'll be all, and let's hold the money. I'm not saying that this happen all the time, but time to time this happen. Oh, let's see if I can take a picture of this trade here. Yes, 610 points. You guys better post this, huh? Doyle's gonna think I'm gonna be messing with him. Okay, he posted trade. I don't know how many points was that, and I just posted 600 and something points right under his. He's gonna say, "You son of a bitch!" If you guys could post that on Facebook and so on. Um,
Oh, that must be from earlier. Oh no, maybe not. That's yesterday. Okay.
I was, I was thinking about holding one contract here, but I got a little iffy. I didn't, but this could be the third leg going up, making the third leg.
Yeah, it could be like a 5 minute.
Yeah. And that's coming to double top here. Let's see what that give us. The 3 minutes still look ugly as heck. I don't like it at all.
Yeah, the 3 and 5 are a bearish divergence. 15 is still straight up.
Let me see if I have anything here. You guys see it right here is the tip of that rising wedge. November 3rd. Tomorrow needs to go somewhere, but I think it's gonna go today. Let's move this.
Well, so much for holding it.
What?
My little short ahead, and then I dragged it way too close, and then just got sipped quickly.
Ah, you short the double top.
Yeah.
We have a lot of buyers right under this pivot point here. Lots of buyers.
Hey Lou, we have a lot of new members here.
Yes,
Just
we
noticed.
do. Yes.
Uh,
Pretty cool, huh?
yeah.
Horrible week to start because this week sucks. But it is what it is.
Yeah, I noticed a few people from Facebook, which is pretty cool.
Was from
Or Twitter, excuse me.
Twitters, yeah. It's awesome.
I know someone just mentioned the XABCD. What is that pattern called? Like a bat?
X A B C D. Which one? This one here? What are you talking about?
An XABCD pattern is just an XABCD pattern. There's different names for different fib levels it uses, but
Hmm.
we don't focus on what they're called exactly. We just look for the D point at either a 188, a 141, 161, something like that, and play it back to the B point. What it's called in the fib levels is kind of irrelevant because you can get so caught up in, okay, this made this point, now this is a bat, so it's going to play this way. I mean,
Well, I'm just
it's
curious. That's
knowledge.
all. It's not like I just want
Yeah,
to.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's knowledge, but it's cloudy knowledge.
But yeah, this look like a bat, right? But bat sleeping, I guess. Sleeping bat.
You're streaming on YouTube now?
Hmm. At least we got out my purple line. Jesus, we were there for a week. This trend here, guys, would be a good one if it breaks to make the M. However, we need to remember that uh, M's are not playing very much and turns to be a symmetrical triangle. So just keep that in mind. Could be doing this. However, on plays would play good because we're gonna have two M's here, a little M and a huge M. So we'll see what this one here wanna do. Now it has the white trend here and the pivot point R1. At this moment we have a lot more sellers than buyers. The first point of interest in here will be the 127 and I'll say then 188, this red trend line. So let's shoot for this red trend line here.
So, what's going on here, Lou? You're taking a short?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm already in SEP though. My goal is that
I had a bad entry at 950.
halfway of the symmetrical triangle and then to the red trend line And if it breaks the red trend lines, we can be doing this M that can come all the way down to the purple. That is 127, taking one off. And our goal is this red trend line right here. All those I feel like high risk trades. Okay, but I'm still telling you guys as at least I want you guys to be part of, to have an idea to get in or not. It'll be your decisions as always. And so this style that I'm doing here now, I took a profit and I did not sip yet, which usually is not what I do. Um, 10 points is not giving much of anything. So is another way that I'm doing it just not to be sipped. The correct way to put in this one would be the R1. Put it right above here. And if it breaks the R1, you're off the trade or you got sipped. Hopefully you have entrance above here. But 125. So and again, if you bounce off what? 141, 150 area. And that's I'm telling you is the high risk because we got to my first point of exit, but we did not get all the way to the full what I want, right? All the way down here. Does anybody have any questions, any concerns, anything? Yeah, it's turning to bullish. I don't think we're gonna test the bottom of the symmetrical triangle now. Let's see. The way that's looking right now is a lot of buyers here now. Lots of buyers. They want to push higher. In 3 minutes, we have a huge divergence here to come to the downside. However, the market appears to be being manipulated right now. So we'll see what's going to happen. If it breaks to the upside here, it's a very risk trade, but you can get in if you like to go to the upside. And as soon as you get in, you can put in SEP. Don't ever let it go against you because you're buying an all-time high. So it's very risky trade. That's why I'm not doing it. And talking about the all-time high, I'm not saying either too short, so we need to find a way to find a pattern to play out. Pattern that I see here is hold on, let's put in here. Is this one here to come down. We play this one here, and we might be doing this to see where this one goes. The longer it stay in this area here, more will be more strong to the upside, working as a flag. So the longer that stay here, the stronger it is to the upside. But the check engine light is on for sure, as Doyle would say. Battle here for sure. A lot of buyers came in the market right now. They just got out. And there we are. There we going. Oh, the volume was huge to the buy side and then switched to the selling side. Don't know, was a spike top here? Let's see what
Yeah,
we
that
got.
30-second candle was bearish and had a lot of volume.
Yeah, because what was the yellow? So it was bullish, and then by the end switched to pink. That's bearish and came all the way down. So it was weird.
Yeah.
Don't know if it's trying to do the spring top here or this is gonna keep on going. You know,
Yeah, I wonder if that was just people taking profit at the 88.
could be. Yeah, they bought it, but was bought to sell. Was limit orders and swap. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Have you guys put in the fib on this here yet? On this ABCD?
Yep. That's the 88 we're battling at right now.
Good. Yeah. And the other thing to think about too is we are so freaking close to 16,000 that
Yeah, we are.
we might. I'm not saying that we're going to, but we might be pushed there.
It wouldn't be surprising if it did.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be a magnet
If
just to see what price does there.
if the ABCD pattern plays out that we've made the A point at open, the 16,000 would be right at the 141.
Okay.
We're like 22 people in chat today.
It is. Nice. Like it. Man, the analysis showing that's gonna come down, but the candles are telling me that's gonna keep on going up. I hate when this happens. It's different things, you know.
What were you saying?
Uh, the analysis momentum and everything showing that we need to get a pullback here. Uh, but the candles are telling me that we're going to keep going up.
Yeah, I totally agree. Momentum seems like it wants to make this M,
Yeah,
but the candles are acting like trying to make a flag and go up. $11 o'clock.
oh yeah. Top of the hour candle.
If you snag on that triangle you have, Lou, if you snag the low from open, you get a little bit bigger of a triangle here.
Give me 1 sec, I'm running.
No, you're good.
Those last two candles are the exact same candles with the exact same volume.
Yeah, it does not want to break the top of this triangle.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't know what it wants to do.
It wants to build a big ass volume node right here.
Yeah, that's true. We're in uncharted territory, so
I'm gonna take a risky little long here. High risk. And it filled me way up there. That's stupid. Yeah, I was afraid of that.
So you're talking about here?
Yeah, it took a long to break. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a flat top. Doyle's in the house.
Yeah, I'm eyeballing this trend line break here. What do you think?
Man, we've been playing all. I play all those. But we were just talking about here. I think everything's saying that it's gonna go down, but the
Yeah, that double
candles,
top looks kind of bearish.
yeah, the candles is telling me that we're gonna go up. We have a lot of buyers here, lots of buyers not letting the price drop. So I'm concerned about that. But we've been shorting and been working very well. Uh, it's just I just have that. I don't want to say feeling. I just seen the candles telling me that's gonna go up. It's just holding here on the area to go up, but for sure little pullbacks. Oh, nice. Nice little scalp though.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's really all I was looking there for, given the uncertainty.
Yeah.
Yep. Lay on 3, take one off at 5, 7, 10.
This R1 here, the we have a lot of buyers on uh this area. And if you guys are having an issue with your real account and having problems or something, and it's not, working for you, don't keep trying doing your accounts. Change back to SIM. Okay, change back to SIM.
Yeah, the thing is, when you've got your edge in the network, you want to be trading, and when you don't, you don't.
Yeah,
And if you're currently hitting brick walls, you've just lost your edge for now. So take a step back.
and go to sim. Like today, I did not. I was trying to get in, and I did points, 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 and then I got stopped 3 times. I went um, to my scalp, and I talked to you guys that I was doing my scalp. I did not show, but I talked to you guys through it. Um, is I'm not feeling today. I told you guys already earlier today. Yesterday and today, I'm not feeling it. And the AM that we are talking about, maybe working it out. And you know
Yeah.
what? You know what? I just got a message here. Can the Fed avoid the spooky markets as radius a taper? I don't know what that means, but uh, we see a lot of this too. A big push and a big dump prior to the, the Fed talk. So they want to get there feeling that they're real good, but then they're gonna
Yeah,
say
I mean,
something stupid and the market's gonna dump.
so the thing is they had said in July that they were going to begin tapering this year. And they've also said at the same time that they're not going to begin tapering until we reach full employment again. So here it is. You fast forward, we're now at November, um, and we're not at full employment yet. And if they don't raise rates and start tapering right now, their next opportunity is 6 weeks from now, so the middle of December. And you're not going to get a lot of juice out of things happening the last couple of weeks. So um, I would be surprised if they announced tomorrow that they're raising rates, unless they know something about Department of Labor numbers that are being released on Friday.
Which they might now.
They might. They should. I mean, they shouldn't.
Yeah,
They shouldn't have that conversation on Wednesday without knowing the Friday numbers. And given their
yeah.
position, they should have access to it. Which will also be interesting for Friday because Friday's news tends to move the market, and that move may largely be baked in. So that might be a good snap move, right? Where there's an initial reaction and then it snaps back.
Yeah.
What's your thought on this resistance line here breaking? Or support line, I'm sorry.
I like it, to be honest. My longer time frame's shifting down. My 3 minute is making lower lows. Check engine light's on, but it's still lower lows.
Just test
What I
the short
don't
here
like,
too.
yeah, yeah. What I don't like is I would have liked to have seen volume sell off a little bit more. Volume is still like OBV is still kind of high.
I'm in SIP. And
I just put double here. No, I'm not gonna enter here.
I'm following close. It's just I don't know what it's gonna do. So
This is the perfect shape to do the break up to the downside and break up to the upside.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, it
what we
would be,
like.
right?
Yeah. gonna do this.
You went long now, Lou.
Yeah, but I open my stop to give the. I don't wanna fight.
Average if you need to.
Yeah, I wanna come down and go back up if it breaks to the downside and come back to the upside. Then if I need, I'll average and go up.
Sure, sure. I'm just thinking of closing this and just taking my profit. That's all. That's why.
Okay.
Go for it, man.
Stop filled. I took my profit. All right. So I'm flat and I'll wait.
That's the best way right now.
Yeah, I gave back. I was up over 50 points, or I was up about 60 points, and I gave back 20 of it. So I might just be
Yes, the
done. Today.
call for the day today is being horrible.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I when I got in my entry at that at 69.75, when I closed out of that entry, I shorted.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, that was brutal. So I
Yeah.
gave everything back pretty much right there. I was like all pumped that I had a nice trade, and I look, and all of a sudden I'm losing money. I'm like, what in the hell is going on?
Uh,
Damn it.
yeah. Happens.
Last couple of candles have had some decent selling volume in them,
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a break, but
but
good
still,
job.
even then, I mean,
Yep,
I would
do
just be
that.
looking for like, you know, 10 points, 15 points maybe.
We're having a
I'll
lot
be right
of
back.
buyers here.
I love how it aligns with that triangle right there. The bottom line triangle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Believe me, man, I want to short, but I cannot short right now. It's telling me that it's gonna go up.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, man. I really want this thing to go up, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I couldn't hold it.
Hmm.
I said I couldn't hold it. I put it into SIP already, and then got taken out.
On the loan,
Yeah.
I bought more. Again, guys, if you take with me, you can take profit or whatever you want. You can move the SIP to whatever you want. Do not trade the same that I do regards to moving in SIP and so far. Usually I take 5 points my first one and move to SIP. But today's been a little crazy, if I can call that. So I'm giving a little bit of room. But if you see 4 or 5 points, uh, uh, if you, it's like I just wanted to feel free to do what you want to do, okay? Look at your account and do what your account allowed you to do it.
Yeah, this trend line just does not want to break.
No, you're shorting?
I was shorting for a scalp. I was thinking it was gonna make this XABCD pattern, but it does not want to do it.
Yeah,
I was gonna wait for the head and shoulders there.
Yeah, it's probably a better idea.
yeah,
That would be the POC.
Yeah.
He says that, and then it breaks the trend line.
yeah.
All right.
Can't
Right? In tanks.
go to the shoulder, go to the shoulder, go to the shoulder.
That's funny stuff.
I'm long. Because I've been greedy because I got 5 points already twice and didn't want to take profit.
Of course, now it wants to go down. Now that I was like, fuck it, closed it.
Remember that we still can do that break to the downside and come back up, right? To the inside, break to the upside and come back inside the triangle and then continuation to either side. Just be careful with that. Buyers coming in behind this candle. Somebody's eating something. I can hear.
Yeah, it sounds like chips.
Thought I
Yeah,
was muted.
I thought it was
Doyle.
Ah, there's the culprit.
Doyle.
That's why he's not trading. He's snacking.
He's necking. Yeah, that's why he's flat.
Yeah, stuff in his face.
Yeah. Gonna take one off here, guys. At 6 points. I am not going to sip again. And again, that's not my style. I'm just adjusting to the market, okay? As you guys know, I take profit between 4 and 7 and sip. But the market is moving too much. And
Snacking, and this is the reason. I'm not in a trade right now.
yeah,
Don't want to give any of that away.
keep filling your mouth. If you break to the upside of this white trend line and close above, open in second, another candle above that, and I'll move to sip. There you go.
This failed short I had right here is exactly why we don't short the D leg, or we don't trade the D leg.
Yeah.
It came right to
Uh,
the B point, and I took a short anticipating of it continuing downwards, and it bounced instead of continuing.
and
So that XABCG failed to create.
Yep.
NY Trader, you see what I was talking about? The trades that I take in here, my screen, are the trades that I know that I can put you guys on money. Okay, those are the type of trades that I take on my screen. If I'm not comfortable, well, I'm not gonna say that would not happen, can happen, but I'll give you, if it's my screen, because I'm pretty confident then I can put in you guys there on money. You don't need trade like me, you don't need to put it SIP, all this, as I keep telling you guys. Uh, but Jeff, you talking to me? Uh, I shorted because it was an all-time high. We touched the top of the symmetrical triangle. And then when it came to the bottom, I believe in my trend line, so I went long when we touched the bottom of the symmetrical triangle to go up. Uh, 935. I did not short. No, I did not reverse either. uh, I don't reverse. Uh, I came, I was short and I took profit my white trend line and then I went long on my yellow trend line. I think you saw Brett short there, and that's where he was saying that he was trying, it was high risk. I think you saw his screen and thought it was mine, maybe.
Well, I just did it with the trend line break after this right shoulder, but it's failing.
I don't. You guys stop going against me. God dang.
Yeah, that trend line's built to something else.
Let me, man, let me
It's like a
put it.
diamond trend
Now you
line. It
see
does
it.
not work.
I bought it. I don't think I. And that's why I didn't want to sip because I knew this was going to happen. God dang. That's why I didn't want it to. Oh, Jeff, you're right. I went short. You're right. Yeah, I went short because I saw everybody going short. It's like these guys are going short. That's gonna break. So I went short, and then it's like, whoa, no, that's not right. So I closed and went against them. So now it's not you, it's me. I
Yeah, the
did that.
safer bet was to go long there.
Yeah, I did that. I went short because Doyle and Brett went short, so I shorted. Uh, but then I saw, it's like, no, that's not right. I'm going long. So I do not suggest you guys to trade against us, but sometimes, between us, things like this happen.
Yeah, like the idea of trading an XA or any kind of pattern um, while it's forming is always really high risk.
Yeah,
We don't suggest doing that. It works out sometimes, but it could fail.
yeah, I'm very,
Because
go ahead.
I got a message that I was talking to for my day job.
Ah, okay.
Sorry. Yeah, yeah, my mic just split in.
they even could be doing this. I'm starving.
Got any more of those ribs left?
Hell no,
Mm.
they're all gone. All gone. And guys, let me tell you something. Well, let me tell you something. Now, let me ask you guys something. You see a double top here? What about if we hit here again? What would happen? What type of pattern is that? And what style is it? Bearish or bullish? Not you, Greg.
I,
Anybody?
I,
Not you either.
oh, the,
Anybody else? Anybody else?
should we just
Anybody?
start picking people?
Anybody the white belt? Anybody
Any
can
takers?
answer me that?
It's like when no one raises their hand in class, the
Oh
teacher
yeah,
just
Yes.
starts picking on them.
So like
Nobody wants to be wrong.
I can pick on you.
yeah, exactly.
Everyone put their head down. Don't look at the teacher.
I know.
Yeah.
It always picks you.
Yeah.
You're like reaching your
And
backpack to try to make you look busy. Oh no, not me. Sorry.
all right,
uh,
Greg, go ahead.
I would say it's an ascending triangle for possibility of continuation up
Yep.
Yep.
The
is
triple
my
top.
Ding, ding, ding.
Triple
yeah
top
or
is a bullish, right?
Ooh.
Is a bullish tendency to break because it's a flat top, and we break through it into a continuation up.
Which would be in support of the ABCD pattern we're forming
Yep.
mm-hmm.
that I originally said I was going to wait for, but decided to trade inside my no-go zone.
I wish I was holding my long still, but I let sip me.
I know you have the ascending triangle there, but why isn't it a head and shoulders?
Could be the head and shoulder from right here, right? That's where Greg was saying, or oh, wrong one. This one here. That's what you're talking about?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, it could be.
it could be for sure. Uh, cannot pass the 88 though. If it breaks the 88, I will not do the. I don't think would be the shoulder.
Yeah, because the only reason that I would be skittish on it is because it's in a giant ascending triangle, Ryan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that means that the right shoulder playing out has got a lot more working against it because of that ascending triangle. Um, so, anyways, because it's got to break the bigger pattern in order to form its smaller pattern.
Okay.
Yep. And it also has a big volume gap right here that it would have to fight into.
Yep.
If you were going to take the right shoulder, I would have already taken it on that
Yeah,
3 minute green candle and sipped it.
yeah, right here.
Yep.
I agree with that. And if we break this for door, don't give your money back, man. Jesus Christ.
There we go.
Stop eating. Pay attention to your trade. Doro, Doro. Okay, thank you. You're muted, by the
He's over
way.
there. He's over there covered in barbecue sauce today.
Yeah.
Or he's got those Cheeto fingers.
Yeah, like and now goes back up. And I told him to show to quit it. Yeah, he gonna be mad at me. At least he's muted. We can talk bad about him. He cannot talk back because his hand is too dirty to push the mic.
Got them Cheeto fingers.
Yeah. You see, I was going to get in back again, but you guys keep talking about this shoulder. I was scared. I was going to go back right there.
Well,
I think
I
we're
went.
gonna.
I did go on the shoulder. I got it. I got it pretty solid um, because I knew the stop loss would be pretty tight on it. But I got it 957. Um, dropped the first one
Nice.
off 5 points. The second one I just dropped off when it broke that trend line, and then the third one's just
Perfect.
sitting back up.
And that's how you play that.
Perfect. Brett, you always find. I don't know how you can find this shit. You know, who was eating? Well, not
So
me.
why did I exit my long?
Because they were talking about the right shoulder. I got scared.
Lou needed you to hold him, and you weren't here. You were too busy eating your Cheetos.
Hold them.
Yes.
Hold them.
I was worried about you.
Now I gotta draw new trend lines.
Ugh.
Humpty
Doyle,
back together
Doyle like putting
again.
his head trying to push the sell button. Tung, tung, tung. My hand is dirty. I cannot do it. What these guys are talking about? I don't see it. We're just kidding.
That's Doyle right there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh Jesus, that's funny.
Which one sell again?
Yeah. Another place to go long. I think it's gonna break now, man.
When's payday? I need tacos.
Don't even start. I'm gonna take a short here because Doyle took a short here.
Y'all are finally on board. Fuck. Guess I'll jump in too.
I mean, still think it's gonna go up, but you guys wanted to go down, so I'm going down.
Man, it just bounced right off that trend line. What a bitch.
Yeah, it's time to give us a push down. Put another one.
If you drew a trend line off that head to the right shoulder, would it possibly follow that down?
Could be.
That would be weak.
Yeah, would not for a break, you know. Not for I would not follow for a break to the upside, but we could follow down. Yes, we could. But again, guys, I got in. I added another one. You guys should have be able to put in your stop, your sip. Sorry. And you know what it's doing now? It's doing what I was telling you guys was going to break to the downside and come to the upside. Why you guys do that with me? Just make me work for my money.
I work hard for my money.
And my DoorDash is here too, so and now I cannot get out of the trade.
You're gonna walk away and come back like it was this morning.
Yeah, oh, I'll be back twice in the same day. I swear this thing's gonna go up, man. I'm telling you.
That's a bullish candle.
But now all of you are shorting, so might as well short. 'Cause I'm almost like, okay, come and stop me so I can go get my food. If you wanna do it now. Don't do it in an hour and a half.
Yeah. Do the old band aid off the knee thing. Just rip it.
Yeah,
Do it quick.
Might be onto something there.
no shit.
Flexible. I may reverse.
That's the issue right there. You can do that. I can't. I cannot make
Me neither. I got
myself.
old creaky wheels. I gotta be like, okay, so now let's relook at this. Doyle's just like, fuck it, flip over.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what he does. I told you
Do that
guys.
like right here. I'm gonna get tight.
And then Doyle's gonna say, take one off. And oh, I'm gonna be pissed. Take it half off here. Take three quarters off here. Like, fuck, I'm still short from what you guys told me. Our DoorDash guy's leaving. Say it, Doyle.
No,
Say it. God damn. I'll be right back.
He's about to miss me saying it.
he'll still be able to hear you. He's still got his headphones on. God, now I'm hungry talking about food.
I'm back.
I've been waiting for you.
Did he say yet, guys?
Taking some off. Oof. Taking more off. Scroll down here and lock in a real nice sip.
Did exactly what I thought was going to do, right? Damn.
Scout back some points there.
Oh, so you're the one that just pressed that button. He's like, wait a minute, there's divergence here. I'm gonna exit this. Might have just been a spike top.
Why can't Lou reverse?
Wired in him.
Do what now?
It's wired in him.
Oh, gotcha.
It's a mental block.
Gotcha. Okay, I thought it was like a platform thing. It's like,
No, no. Yeah, it's the platform between his two ears.
It's one of those user error things.
Right.
I suffer from the same.
Here's that trend line break we've been waiting for all this time.
Just need to hit it with some force.
I'm back.
Taking one off. Hey Lou,
Yeah.
trend line broke.
Uh-huh.
Half an hour later.
Yeah.
You should have just kept adding, duh.
Exactly, right? It's the all-time high.
If you just would have kept shorting it, it would have come down eventually.
I heard somebody talk about that one time. I forgot the name of the strategy, but they had run a Monte Carlo simulation that basically says that whatever their profit target and stop was, that if they got stopped, they just reverse the position and double the size, and then reverse the position and double the size. And if they would have been able to do that enough times, they would have been profitable. And I'm like, yeah, no kidding. If.
Yeah. Yeah.
If. Depends on how much money you have.
Yeah, if you have a $50 million account, you're still at two
Right.
hands.
It, it was a hedge fund, but it was like a Melvin Capital kind of hedge fund. It was a hedge fund guy that was saying that.
That's
Of course
crazy.
it was. It's not his money.
Yeah, if they lose, it's not my money, right? Hey, here, guys, the symmetrical triangle to the upside, downside. So let's see what direction is gonna go now. I hate that tip here. Usually is right here. That's we were expecting this area. Usually it's not that close to the tip, but and one broke the trend, had no respect at all. Broke, did not retest or anything.
In Rodney Dangerfield, no respect. No
No
respect at all.
respect. So we might be seeing it a retest of this. If you are short, watch out for that.
Now that it's broken this trend line, this head and shoulders could be a thing if it comes back up to retest it.
Yeah, the bigger one now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh huh. Yeah.
Got a needle on its head.
Yeah, I like it.
I do too, because my profit target's the neckline. You saying that, in fact, has me say I'm going to move it up a tad.
Don't listen
I'm
to
going to move it
them.
up to the bottom of these bodies right here. There.
I too like the bottom of bodies. Yes.
There goes our family rating.
Yep.
Wait, we didn't throw that out the window with all the goddamn it flew throws out.
Nope. Maybe they don't understand my English.
Oh. Right. That's it.
Yeah. It means something different in your culture.
Yes,
Yeah. And it's racist if you challenge
exactly.
it.
Just because I'm brown.
Just because I'm brown, I can't say goddamn it. Ugh. Oh man, this POC is just getting bigger and bigger here.
I don't even
Well,
know
I'm
what
watching
my.
VWAP slowly climb up.
Yeah. And the POC is all the way down here.
No, today's POC.
Okay.
Yeah, if you pull in a couple more days, it's still way down there.
Yeah, I usually do 3 days. What do you think?
Oh,
This is a flag to break to the
it's a
downside?
big freaking. All that consolidation that we did for the last couple of days has put a massive freaking volume gap right beneath us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm going to get real aggressive with this stop now.
And sip.
Yeah, as soon as I say it. And sip.
Yeah. This may be an AM. If you guys remember I talked to you guys about? It's a little awkward, but oh well. Yeah, I don't like it. Could be, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it here. All right, I talked myself out of it.
That took a lot.
I was just looking at my longer time frames going, Doyle, it's going to go down. It's going to go down.
Yeah.
He said there's an 80 something block order just parked right down there that it's chicken of.
We've had 7 green days in a row here.
Oh, 7? Really?
Yeah.
What do you
Best
mean,
in
seven
May.
Including
green
today.
days?
On a daily,
Ah, on the
every day
NASDAQ,
has been
you mean?
green for the past. Oh, yeah.
It was like, wait, only 7?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Like, what?
No, the NASDAQ.
Like, man, I've only had 7 green trading days this year.
Coming after me.
And it looks like 6 of those 7 days has been on lower volume than the previous day.
A lot of buy orders on 35 to 39, but might be just to push down. If it goes through it, will be a big push down.
Yeah, you've got horizontal resistance about 4 points down, or horizontal support.
Good, my profit target is 1 more point. But I am going to trail 20-second candles.
20
I'm
seconds.
going to
You're
trail
gonna throw
every tick.
20, yeah, 20-second candles. Holy shit.
I don't want to give it much room to retrace
I
against me.
see. They just take the freaking
And he's out.
profit. Yeah.
Right, just
Damn,
close
just
it.
take the
Fuck.
damn freaking profit.
Close it and eat your Cheetos. Shit.
Yeah, go wash your hands.
Trail 4 second candles. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Milk it for every it's worth.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's going to get me.
Very nice. Uh, is Papa Goomba? Is that how I say it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 452 points. Nice. Very nice.
What?
You, I'm assuming that you're adding all the contracts that you have, right?
I think maybe he means $452 because he says 452.3. I don't know how you get point 0.3 of a point.
He divide his. I don't know. But anyway, either
Math.
way, it's good.
Come on, come on, come on, come
Yeah,
on.
yeah,
Three
either
more
way it's
ticks.
good.
Three more ticks. Two more ticks. Two more ticks. It got within one tick of me just now. That's gonna tick me off. Is what that's gonna do. Choke up on that 20-second candle right there. And profit target hit. Womp womp. Why would I give 3 points away when I don't have to?
Yep. You're right, Doyle. You're right.
Funny, 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 funny. Well, time for that work call. I see people joining it. They're probably wondering where I am.
All right. The red trend line, guys, that I was talking to you guys about earlier. People from the YouTube, we are calling the day with you guys there. We'll be back tomorrow.